Do you want to earn money from YouTube without showing your face? Let's go ahead and learn the best niches where you don't need to show your face. So, let's jump into the faceless YouTube channel list ideas. I'll be showing you 25 ideas, and we'll give you some golden pro tips at the end. So don't leave the video and watch till the end to get the full value. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any new videos. Number 1. Cooking videos. Here you can just show the cooking process and recipes. It will be more like a vlog style, and your face is not needed at all. Number 2. Travel guide. Here, you can show different places without coming on the camera. You can also show the best deals in different places. Once your channel starts growing, then you can start getting sponsors from travel companies as well. Number 3. Tech tutorials. If you have a tech background, then you can show step-by-step tutorials by capturing this screen. You can use any screen capturing software like Filmora or Camtasia. Some of the most popular tech channel ideas are how to use Microsoft Teams, what is Oracle, and how to become Cisco certified. Number 4. Photoshop tutorials. If you have a design background, then you can create how-to tutorials on Photoshop. Number 5. Hotel tours. Here, you can show top 5 hotels in any city. If you are able to get the subscribers, then this channel could be very useful for sponsors. Number 6. Coding for kids. There is a huge demand in this space. There are not much channels which give end-to-end coding tutorials for kids. You can capture the market if you can produce good quality videos. Number 7. Photography tips. You can show cool camera features, what photography kit YouTubers can use, and so on. So far, if you like this video, then please support us by hitting the like button on this video. And now moving on to number 8. Product review. Based on your interest, you can choose any niche where you can review the products. Software products have good CPC, so this could be really amazing if you want to monetize your channel. Number 9. Finance tips. Normally, finance-related keywords has very high CPC. Here you can make short videos on finance tips, especially if you have a finance or accounting degree. This is one of the best niches in terms of CPC. Even if you're able to become a mediocre channel, then the chances are high to get good revenue from this channel in terms of sponsors and ads. Number 10. MacBook Tutorials. If you are good at using a MacBook, then you can create short tutorials on MacBooks, like different shorts Mac has, how to save files on MacBooks, and so on. This could be very handy for the people who are coming to Mac from Windows, as they find it really hard at the start to use a MacBook. Number 11. Top 5 List Channel. This channel is pretty easy to manage, and you can cover top 5 of different niches. Some examples are top 5 restaurants in New York City, top 5 consulting firms in the world, top 5 richest people in the world, top 5 cheapest places to travel in Europe, and so on. Number 12. Gaming Channel. If you are a gamer, then you can create a gaming channel where you don't need to show your face. All you need to do is play a game, go to advanced levels, show your audience some cool tips about that game, and be consistent. Here, the most important tip is, do not choose the broad category of gaming, as it already has high competition, and you will have a low chance of becoming successful. So better to choose some micro-gaming niche to get quick results. Number 13. How-to videos. Here, you can show step-by-step videos on how to do anything. For example, how to fix a computer, how to fix a garage door, or how to configure software. Number 14. Camping videos. If you are a travel lover, then you can show the camping videos. Number 15. Consulting tips. If you've worked as a consultant, then you can show different tips which will help the job seekers and let them understand how to deal with recruiters and hiring managers. For example, interview tips, different terms used in the hiring process like Corp, 1099, and W-2. This is a generic niche, and audiences could be huge, like healthcare, information technology, finance, and many more. Number 16. Motivational Speakers. Here, you can use your skills to motivate people by creating short and to-the-point videos. People would love to watch these kind of videos in their free time. Number 17. Mom Channel. Here you can show everything related to becoming a good mom, like how to raise kids, how to train them, how to manage your time, how to manage your workload, and many other things. Number 18. Mobile Phone Review. Here you can review the new and upcoming mobile phones. Show the price range and compare different features. This channel has a good potential to get highly paid sponsors. Number 19. Digital Marketing Channel. Here you can show different tips and tricks in digital marketing, like what is SEO, what is paid marketing, what works, and what doesn't work. Nowadays, there is a huge demand for digital marketing, and people are interested to watch these kinds of videos. Number 20. Daily News Summary. In this busy time, people do not have time to watch the news for a long period of time. You can create a daily summary of the news and create a short video on that. This would be very helpful for busy people and have a chance of rapid growth, as there is a bigger audience who is interested in the news. Number 21. Toys Review Videos. Here you can review tops which are famous in the market. Number 22. Comparison Videos. Here, you can compare any two products in any niche. This could be a huge niche space, and you will have plenty of ideas. You can choose any software products, healthcare, finance, cars, insurance. The possibilities are endless. Number 23. Podcast Videos. If you are already running a podcast, then you can convert your podcasts into videos by just adding some stock images and the audio. This could be useful for the people who would like to follow you on YouTube. Number 24. Animal Tips. Here you can show some tips for different pet animals. This is also a broad category, and you can choose any pets or animals and start comparing them. You can run affiliate programs based on your videos and put the link in the description section. This way, you can earn money from affiliates as well. To find a good affiliate program, you can try clickbank.com. And lastly, number 25. Luxury Channels. Here you can show the most expensive items in different niches. There is high CPM for this niche, as finance, luxury items, and business-related topics come under high CPM.